Nice. Nice. Oh, good save. Yeah. Yo. It's not cold now. 10 seconds of it. Yeah, you're doing the right thing. Ride the lower risk but hard stuff, and yeah, no reason to take the risk. No, yeah, I'm last. I'll go. Okay. I think we're doing incredibly well. Was going for a top time. This is exactly where I did for me. I guess we're all in. We're never gonna get better conditions than this. And I say we're nailing it, man. This is pure revenge. So good. Well, I mean, whatever we're doing, we're doing it. If there's not a segment, we'll create one. Yeah, you were great. But where that ridge line is, and as hard as it is, you are great. You did not hold me up in the least. And I felt like I rode it really well. Yeah, I chose my pedals with the flat little piece in it, and it's been real nice, I will say. A little heavier, but worth it. Oh, good Lord, good Lord. Yeah, good save.
I was thinking about it.
Not worth it. Not worth it, and then we wouldn't have gone past this anyways. So.
Why are you going so slow?
Yeah, just the sheer fitness alone, we got to be happy with what we just did. And then, man, some sweet technical achievements. One skill that I rediscovered is like, okay, I'm going over this big rock. If I hit another rock on the other side, it's a sure endo. So like, look for the safe landing spot. And yeah, like readjust as you like give the throw to a safe front wheel. Yeah, that must have been it then. Definitely, I had mine about halfway down, or most of it. I'd rather like squat, sit, stand, you know. Because we were doing good, but he was way faster. Direction. Have a good one. The long-haired diva. That's it. No thanks. No thanks. There's no doubt, Sherman. Do not come this way. You are in my territory. Yeah. Holy moly. Hashtag worth it. More than I like. Damn. Trust falls. That's good. Yeah, yeah, it crumbled on you. La bicicleta.
Fucking leave!
Yeah. Nice. Lay down your blade, Sherman. You are defeated.
All right.
Yep, Elizabeth Furnace, that's us, 3.5 miles.
I'll dive that one.
Yep. Yeah. Don't be a hero. Oh my goodness. A stick tried to get me. A stick tried to jam up my front wheel on the gnarliest part. Yep. We are endo-free so far, so. Yeah, timid is good. Today was all about cleanliness, not speed. Nice. Oh, what does that sound? Lord. Nice. Oh, fuck. Ew, yucky. Oh, good Lord.
What happened there?
The mud. Oh, nice.